Hello and welcome back. In this video we shall explore how to set up an OpenVPN server or an Ubuntu 22. So let's start things off as usual. We're going to run the apt update and upgrade on our instance, and this will obviously take a minute. I'm going to speed things up. With this OpenVPN install, we will tunnel all our traffic. So it will make it look like we're in the Netherlands in this particular case. This will change obviously depending on where your server is running at. This will give us full control of our server, and we can disable logs, for example, and so on. Once the updates are installed, we will be adding the GPG key for OpenVPN and also adding the package in our repo list, and then apt update and install OpenVPN alongside with its requirements. This will take another minute, so I'm just going to speed things up as well. Once it's done, that's pretty much it. We will see on screen the IP address in this case, and all the details related to the OpenVPN setup. So we're just going to go ahead and access the admin portal. So as you can see on the screen over here, we have the admin URL and the client URL. We also have the admin account credentials, including the username and the password. We will make use of them later. Once this loads up, as you can see, we have the security warning. Since this is a self-signed certificate, we're going to go ahead and use the default password that came out from the portal itself. We're going to use OpenVPN as the user and the password provided. We're going to agree to the terms, and that's pretty much it. Our server is running. So now we're going to explore a little bit the UI. There's a particular section which I'd like to bring to your attention, which is authentication. We have various tabs here. We have the radius option, so we can integrate OpenVPN to make use of a radius server to authenticate our users. And we also have LDAP, which also include LDAP-S. Basically, there is a lot of functionality that can be used when it comes to OpenVPN in order to authenticate users. For this demo, I'm going to set up a local user without any integration. I will just type the username here, then hit save. Then I'm going to edit the user in order for me to set up the password for it. I'm just going to type a password over here. And then hit save again. Once that's done, I'm going to hit update the running server. And basically we're ready from here. So we'll just open up the OpenVPN user portal. And once the portal is up, I'm going to log in with the new user that I have just created. And I'm just going to download the Windows installer. With the Windows installer, it includes also the OpenVPN profile. This will make it easier for you to run, to just install it, and it will automatically include the profile included. I will explain further. So I'm just going to go ahead and run with the installer. As you can see, this is protected by Windows. Obviously, since it contains the profile, it cannot be signed. So it's normal. We're just going to go ahead and proceed with the install, and we'll just give it a minute for it to finish up. Once it's done, the application will pop up, as you can see over here. I'm just going to go ahead and close the how to import, because the profile is already there. Agree to the prompt and hit OK for the updates. As you can see, the profile is loaded over here, which also contains the username and the IP address, etc. So I'm just going to switch the toggle and type in the password. Once that's done, it will show you here that it's connected. And I'm just going to open up a browser and go, what is my IP on Google, just to show you guys that it is actually tunneling everything. As you can see, the IP address matches the one of the server that we have just installed. And that's a wrap. If you follow this video, now you should have a working OpenVPN server. I'd like to thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.